to install and number 3 point is can measure high pressure, can measure high pressure compare as compared to piezometer. These three advantage. Now this is a question. The question, this is the YouTube manometer is connected to a pipe, and at this point pressure is P, and from YouTube manometer how to calculate the pressure of pipe. Now first, I already said the lower level of manometric, this is the manometric pressure and manometric fluid whose density is more. This is the specific gravity, so density of this is 2, suppose density is 2, rho 2 into 1000 13, and this one is rho 1 whose density is 9, multiply by 100 and get the specific gravity or relative. This is the relative density or specific gravity, and with first there is no consider any reference. First we take reference line, lower level of the manometric now this is the row 1. Now the lower level of the manometric liquid take reference. Now suppose the P, the down plus, this is suppose is downward. Now the height is from the reference rho 1 in 9,900 into G 9.81 into height is 0.08 meter. Now this one is rho 2 into G 9.81 into height is 0.2 equal to 0. The value of P equal to 25977 Newton per meter square. You can say pressure at the left limb equal to pressure at right limb. GHT right limb or no, next one is single column manometer, or well type manometer or micromanometer. Micromanometer. Manometer. Suppose well-made well-made kuo suppose this one is single tube manometer, and here suppose this is the manometric fluid. This is the manometric this one is manometric manometric fluid. Suppose rho m, manometric fluid rho 2. Suppose this this left limb area is A1, and at this right limb area cross section area A2. Now this left limb is connected to the a pipe, suppose, and so the now at the left limb the displays the volume, suppose at this point. First was xx, first the reference was xx. After connecting the pipe, the reference line is y1, so after connecting the y1, that time so volume displays, you can say displays volume of left limb equal to rise of volume in right limb. So displays volume, suppose this is the, and height is delta h, and first the height was this one and this height is h, so a into delta h and a into suppose h, this is h2 and this one is h1. After connecting the pipe, the reference line is y pi. So manometric equation, so manometric equation is, now suppose here the pressure is PA and this is the PA. Now here delta H equal to A into H2 by A. And manometric equation, suppose PA plus downward, this is this rho 1, suppose density of this liquid in a pipe is rho, total height is h1 plus delta h equal minus this is the h plus h, this is the h plus delta h. This, so this will be delta h also, so rho 2 minus rho 2 into g into h2 plus delta h equal to 0. So A into rho g h1 plus rho g delta h minus rho g h2 minus rho 2, this is 1 g delta h equal to 0. So PA equal to this first, this one and this one left side, this one delta H G rho 2 minus rho 1. First this one and this was consider. Next, and right side this one is will be positive rho g h2 and right side this one rho g h1 and the put value of delta h. PA equal to delta h value is h2 and this value is A. Other rho 2 into rho 1 plus rho 2 g into h2 minus rho 1 g into h1. So A is less than h, so this one is value is very small, so this one is negligible, this part. So PA equal to rho 2 into g into h2 minus rho 1 g into h1. This is the equation for manometric equation for manometric. Now advantages of single column manometer. Number 1, it can measure positive as well positive pressure as well as negative pressure means vacuum pressure. Number 2, easy to install. Number 3, it is very sensitive. Then YouTube manometer. These 3 points. Next one, inclined single column manometer. Suppose whose lap length same as the single this is the inclined single column manometer, and this left limb is fitted with a pipe, and whose right limb is inclined with theta angle. This is the suppose L. This is the L. Suppose first it fill with manometric same concept. First, before connecting the pipe, the manometric fluids at this position. After connecting, the manometric fluid is at this point. This is the XX reference line. This is the YY reference line. delta H. This is the L, length is L, and theta, this is height. This height is H1. This height is H2. And the pressure, here pressure is P. And length is same as the single column manometer. So sin theta equal to H2 by L. So H2 equal to L sin theta. The manometric equation and now okay, this is the suppose row 1, this is suppose row 2. So first pressure plus row 1 H plus delta H minus row 2, this height is this height is H2 is heights derived. This is the theta angle, this is the height, this is the L, this is the delta H, this also delta H. So minus rho into H2 plus delta H equal to 0. From there we get A2 into H2 plus A plus into G rho 2 minus rho 1 plus rho 2 G into H1 H2 minus rho 1 G into H1, same as just H2 value is L into sin theta, put and get the equation.